Hi, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is about SAP post installation steps in GRC 10. Totally there are 7 steps. First one is client copy. Next, activating applications in client. Check ICF services. Activating BC sets, creating the initial users, activating profiles, and final thing is activate common workflow. We're gonna start with activating applications in client. Activating client copy will be done by basis guys. So the transaction code is SCCL. So after copying the clients, our part we have to activate the applications in client. Call transaction SPRO. Okay, and expand the governance, risk and compliance in the general setting node and choose activate applications in client. Choose new entries. Here you will find 3 components: GRC PC, GRC RM and GRC AC. Activate which one you want to activate, you want to keep active. Like PC means process control, RM risk management and AC is access control. You can activate 3 at a time, or if you want to activate only access control for the time being, you can activate only one also. After activating, after checking the box active here, and click on save, or you can do handy Control S. Next, execute transaction SICF. SICF is here. Next, I click on execute icon. Expand node default underscore host. Under that SAP. Under that public. Right click public and choose activate services. Choose active service for all subnodes. For subnodes like under SAP you will find BC subnode, GRC subnode. So choose the same like activate all these subnodes. Okay, after that again go to transaction SPRO. Here we should activate BC sets. Okay, you'll find on the top of the box existing BC sets. Just select that, click on that. Next you'll find BC sets for activity. Okay, after clicking on that you'll find at the bottom of the table, bottom of that application, you can see here BC sets exists. Okay, it means that BC sets is already there in the system. Now go to transaction SCPR20. Means we can activate from SPRO also, but the shortcut for activating BC sets is SCPR20. Okay, we should activate all the BC sets here. Go to here and activate in transactions. You'll find here shortcuts shift plus F11. Okay, after activating all the BC sets transaction, like we should remember one thing: every time we should use only expert mode. Okay, after completing all the BC sets activation, now we have to create initial users with the following roles. Remember these following roles: SAP GRC FN underscore base, SAP GRC FN underscore all, SAP GRC FN underscore business user, SAP GRC and WBC. Okay, you may be knowing, and WBC is network business client, business user, this FNL, all the transaction of the product. Okay, now you should activate the profiles of roles where transaction SUP is PFCG, or if you if you activate if you want to activate if you want to do generate profiles for multiple roles, you have so many roles, you can use the transaction SUPC also. Okay, now activating common workflow. Execute transaction SPRO, click on SAP reference IMG. Under governance, risk and compliance, under general settings, you will find one option workflow. Under that workflow, execute perform automatic workflow customizing. Okay, so once you click that, you will find this screen. Actually here all green is there because I first it was red. Okay, so everything should be green here. You should provide the related output like prefix number, it will ask here. Okay, see maintain definition environment, you can see here prefix numbers. Actually it was previously it was red here, so I have given the prefix number. You can give a prefix number any number. Okay, if it is not means it is not taking any your number, the number which you have entered, means that number is already inside, that number is already there inside the system, so choose another number. Okay, so you should everything should be green here. Okay, see here I have given prefix number 999. Previously I have given 997 like that. It did not take because this number is already there in the system. Okay, okay, and now I have given 999, so it had taken, number is not there, so the system has taken. System ID, you should give a whatever system ID is there, and client ID, whatever the clients is there, we should give the client here. Okay, now next part is perform task specific customizing. See, under that governance, risk and compliance, general settings, and in that workflow you'll find the second option like perform task specific customizing. Okay, I'll repeating again the workflow of that workflow for perform task specific customizing. First one is execute transaction SPRO, click on SAP reference IMG, go to governance, risk and compliance, general settings, and in that general settings you find the workflow and select the second option, perform task specific customizing. And here in this screen you will find under the GRC tab. Okay, under the GRC tab you will find assign agents and activate event linking. So first you should find assign agents. Okay, so you should assign the agents here. Remember one thing, see there may be cases, there may be some situations where under the GRC tab you cannot find these folders, GRC SAP, GRC PCP, GRC RM. Okay, GRC SAP. Okay, if you do not find any folders under the GRC folder, if you don't find any GRC subfolder, okay, please run this report rs underscore appl underscore refresh in SC38. Okay, okay, after you have executed this report in SC38, you will definitely find this subfolders under the GRC folder. Okay, now our part is assigning agents. Okay, click on agents. Okay, assign task as general task via task attribute. Okay, see, click on make sure all the tasks that are not using background task have been assigned as general task. Okay, see here general task is there, but first it was empty, but it was not background and it was not general task. See, I have selected this. Okay, I selected this number this TS31630000H. Okay, I have clicked on attributes and I go in the general task and I have transferred, and after that it has you can see here a general task. Okay. Okay, make sure everything has general tasks which are empty. Now click on come back, come back to that screen, GRC this task customizing overview screen, and again after that activate, click on activate event linking. Okay, click the properties icon. Here the properties icon you can see here. Select the linkage to no errors. Okay, make sure the event linkage activities is checked and set error feedback to do not change linkage. Okay, be sure to activate all work related customizing. Okay. Okay, see, now you should activate the crystal reports. For this, execute transaction SPRO. Okay, under the SAP net viewer, open SAP, expand SAP net viewer. Under that, expand application server. Under application server you will find one option, SAP list viewer. Okay, in that you will have option maintain web Dyn Pro ABAP specific settings. Okay, if you executed that, you will find here screen which check this one, allow crystal reports and save. Okay, now execute transaction SWA2 and maintain the following linkages by double clicking each line in change mode. Okay, set this parameters. Linkage activated should be checked. Do not change linkage. Behavior upon error feedback should be do not change linkage. Receiver status should be no errors. Now after completing that, come back and execute transaction PFTC. Okay, the task type should be standard task and task type should be workflow templates. The two tasks should be maintained here. Okay, go to change mode. Go to additional data, agent assignment and click on maintain. Okay, every time you should select no for transfer missing elements from the object method. Okay, now select attributes, click on attributes, select as general task and click on transfer. Now after completing this process, come back and execute transaction as WDD. So here you should activate all the workflow related tasks. Okay, activate here. Okay, so that's it guys, post installation steps for GRC 10. Hope you like it. Any suggestions and comments are also welcome. Thank you for your time. Thank you.